Hey guys, it's Eva Eagle here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you are new, come on in, grab a seat, let's watch a video, let's do this tutorial, let's chit chat a little bit, nothing too heavy, something very light today. And if by the end of the video you liked it, please make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, notification bell so you know when I upload another video, and join the Eagle fam. So in today's video, we're going to create this nice little fun look using a new palette that I purchased. I did a small haul from Colored Rain. They recently had a sale, so I grabbed a couple of items. We're just gonna chat about people wasting your time, okay? So let's get started.
In the last episode, I spoke about self-worth and cosmetic surgery, how knowing your worth offends people, and I created a fun makeup look using a forgotten gel eyeliner. Join me as I continue this journey of self-discovery in Made of Worth with Itsy the Eagle here on YouTube.
In today's tutorial and chit chat, okay? So I did a small, teeny tiny little bit, a small makeup haul. Colored Rain had a sale not too long ago, probably like last week sometime. So I went on ahead and purchased a couple of things, you know. So I got the Queen of Hearts palette. You guys already know that I had a Queen of Hearts palette already, but I went on ahead and got another one. So this is the Queen of Hearts. She's pretty. So the next palette that I purchased was the Colored Rain Juicy Boost. I do remember this palette launching. I just never really paid it. I'm not gonna say I didn't pay attention to it, but I was like, do I really need like another colorful palette? And I'm like, yeah. On this, it's two different ones, okay? So you have this palette and you have this palette. So you have two separate palettes. All right, let me tell y'all something. The one that's really catching my eye is Sweet Ruby. Do y'all see that? I had to get close for y'all so that y'all can see what it looks like in the pan. I also got Peach Royalty. This is Colored Rain. If I can get it out of here. Come on, baby. Why y'all won't come out? Am I tripping? Why is this so hard to get out? Am I tripping? There we go. This thing is hard to get out. Okay, so this is Peach Royalty. This is a blush and highlighter duo palette from Colored Rain. And then I also bought 3 lipsticks. So the lipsticks that I purchased was Boudoir, Affluence or Affluence, however you want to pronounce it, and Empathy. Your girl doing kind of good with these videos, right? But their packaging is so cute. I really like Colored Rain's packaging. So it's like this off-white kind of shade with some gold trim, and then the brand name in gold as well. So this one is Boudoir. Boudoir is a very deep plum shade. I don't know if that's gonna show up pretty good. Affluence is a rich berry color as well, but this is more of like a mahogany type of shade. And then last but not least, I have Empathy, and Empathy is I would say a pinky nude. I would definitely pair this with a brown lip liner just to, you know, I don't know, it just doesn't look right on me without the lip liner. Some people can rock it just like that, but I cannot. So another palette that I have that is not from Colored Rain, that I actually purchased from Target, because I had never purchased a palette from this brand before, is Beauty Bakery. And this is the Get That Dough palette. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Had this little box with it. Okay, so I actually purchased this palette a while back, but when I got it home and opened it, I noticed that someone had opened it and swatched it, and I could not find my receipt to take it back. So when I finally saw that Target restocked it, I went on ahead and purchased another one. That is Sweet Ruby. That is Sweet Ruby. Whoa. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids using my Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. So I got these little cute sponges from Rite Aid. And so what we're gonna do is go in with Princess in the Queen of Hearts. And we are going to use that as a transition shade here. What I want to chit chat with you guys about in today's video is about people wasting your time. Like people who pretty much do not have any intent. Like there's no plan when it comes to mainly dating you. And when that happens, like you have to make a decision whether you want to give it time or cut that person off entirely. So if the text messages that you're sending to me are only comprised of, hey, how you doing? And then I respond, I'm well, and yourself, oh, I'm good, can't complain. And then that's it. But you're saying you want to get to know me and stuff like that, like, I'm sorry, but that's not gonna cut it, you know? When I tell you that's not even bare minimum, that's like nothing. Within 3 to 4 seconds, you can have that very conversation with someone. You know, hey, how you doing? I'm all right. And yourself, that's, you know, I'm good. That's good. And then y'all go about y'all separate ways. I'm sorry, but you're wasting my time. You know, and I try to like strike conversations with him, but he never responds. So what is the purpose of me even trying if you're never going to make a valid attempt to return or reciprocate the energy that I'm putting into this? You know what I'm saying? Ginger Bay. So there's a mustard yellow called Ginger Bay. We'll try this one. And we're gonna put Ginger Bay all over the lid. So we're just going to pat on Ginger Bay all over the lid. Apple Strawberry. Let's go in with Apple Strawberry and see what happens. I'm going in with Apple Strawberry. All right, I see you, Apple Strawberry. This is actually kind of different. Lemon Wheatgrass. Oh. Oh, snap. It's on that now, pimp. Wow. But let's go ahead and do a liner. I'll color correct. And I think I'm going to put my foundation on as well so that we can try out the blush and the highlighter duo palette, okay? So I will be right back. If you don't have, like if somebody's really trying to get to know you and the conversation never seems to go anywhere, then what's the point of even having a conversation with them? I'm sorry, but just saying, good morning, how are you? I'm fine. How about yourself? Oh, I'm good, can't complain, or whatever the case may be. And then your next response never gets any feedback. Like the conversation is supposed to be a give and take. Like we're supposed to be interacting with each other. But if every time I make a response after the initial greeting of hi or hello or whatever, how are you? And then you don't respond after that, well then eventually I'm gonna stop responding, and I had to do that. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this time I'm going in with a brush, y'all. We're gonna try a brush this time, okay? Because I was looking at a YouTube video that said using a brush instead of the sponge is better because the sponge has a tendency to move your product around. I don't know, I think the brush actually works a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and apply liner and mascara. I might go ahead and pop on some lashes as well, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I think this is the highlighter and this is the blush. So we're gonna, ooh, she's a little pigmented there. And we're going to put that right above the contour there. I have my Artist Couture fan brush here, and we're going to do a little bit of highlighter here. Okay. She nice. I've never done a peachy highlighter like this. This is different for me. You know, a lot of times I find myself, when it comes to like guys, I find myself, unfortunately, putting forth more effort. It's like these guys want to give just the bare minimum and think that, you know, that's okay. Like, oh, I'm just gonna text her or call her. Well, they don't even call anymore. Now everything is just text message. All they want to do is just text you, you know, every 4, 5, 6 days, or, you know, once a week or something like that, and expect to have a conversation and catch up on everything, and they expect for that to be something along the lines of getting to know you, and that's just not true. So now that that's lined, I'm going in with Empathy, and this is the nude shade. I don't know, I just feel like I didn't want to do a dark color today. Okay, this is giving me Tracy Ellis Ross vibes. Okay, this definitely has "Don't Waste My Time" written all over it. Okay, look, time costs. Okay, time is expensive. Okay, and if they want your time, they better use it wisely, because we're not wasting time around here. Okay, we're not wasting time. That is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Okay, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Yeah, love, peace, and hair grease. Bye.